Hi everyone, my name is Christy. So today I want to talk about how I try different things in the intersection with game design and blockchain and AI. So this is a game in development we are building called Phantom Realms. And before that, I just want to talk a little bit more about why we think AW and AI are both very important, and it would be very fun to mix them together. So we believe that autonomous worlds can decentralize creation. So for example, everything you create on chain, it's not controlled by one centralized entity, and everything can come together, right? It's like a decentralized of creation. And why we want to try AI on the top of it, because it's actually really hard to create. I don't know if you try to create anything for example, maybe art, maybe a game level, if you try a Super Mario Maker, you want to build a very cool game experience by putting different levels everywhere. It's actually really hard to put everything together. So AI really lowers the bar of creativity. So just think about if we can make the creativity easier, and then every creation can come together. So that is what we are trying to run experiments, which is having AI in a blockchain world. So in my previous hackathon project, we tried to build something like LLM. So LLM is not just a large language model, but it's also large law models. So here, I can show you a quick demo. So we use EthCC to randomize your on-chain history. So for example, we'll just randomly select one of your transactions and then use EthCC to randomize that, because it's binary codes, and then combine that with personality test. Yeah, so after you create your character in the game, which is based on your real life actions, you will encounter some monsters that is past failed Ethereum projects. And depends on how you interact with the monsters, the world will changes. And they're all generated by AI. That is ChatGPT and Midjourney. So what the implication here is that your on-chain actions has meaning and context behind them, and you are literally all creating the on-chain world together. So that's how we try the first thing, having an AI dungeon that weave the whole we games together. Yeah. And so this is the first thing. And then so for the second game we are trying, which is we try to create a game that you can play with your friends asynchronously. So first you will choose your avatar, and you can build your character here. And then every on-chain actions are recorded. So we can turn your friends game actions into a ghost into your game, and you can co-play with your friends asynchronously. And we use AI to randomize whether your friend would be your friend or maybe your enemy. So there's something that you cannot know before the game. And we want to have every on-chain actions come together. So that's an infinite game. It's basically the philosophy of Ethereum, because everyone's in this endless loop that you are all playing this game together, and it's an infinite garden as well. Yeah. So this is one inspiration we got, which is Battle Block. So here you can see these two players, they have to work together to pass the level. And for now blockchain is mostly financial applications, but actually we think it's very important to use it as a coordination mechanism. That's why we try to create these different game loops that you can collaborate with your friend. Yeah, so this is just one inspiration we get. It's pretty interesting as a game design. yeah, you can see here, like they have to work together to pass like the game thing. Okay. Yeah, so like I also want to just touch upon like how like we think like we can use AI like in create something in the game. This another like game like I think it's very interesting. It's like Scribble Notes. So like in Scribble Notes, like you can just write like anything like in a line, and then for example if you write like a wing, and then like there's a wing that will just be created in the game. Like here, like in the third picture, you can see like the pig has a wing, and like sometimes like it can be really funny to like for example if you write teleport, like it can create something surprising for you, like another you like in the game. So like that can be surprising for the like player. So the point here is that like when you use AI to generate something, like it can be like surprising for the players because you kind of can't control what you really create. Like I mean, there's some control of it. Yeah, so like I think like it's pretty fun like to try that like in other like variations like or like other games like in the coming like days or something. Yeah, so that's about it. Like our game is still in develop, so like these are like still like some early like concepts or like the still like early works we have. So I just want to like share what we have been thinking, and maybe like we can also just like talk about like what are your thoughts like in the space, or like what are your thoughts on how to use AI like in autonomous world. Yeah, that's it.